have a race. I thought we were already doing a race. Oh yeah, I forgot. So, when are we ready? We're almost ready. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes, I'm about to go. I win! I win! Haha, you owe me $5. Okay, here's all the money I have. Great. Ha ha ha. Goodbye. Now you do the talking.
Hey, look! It's the unicorn bus driver. He's awesome, and I love his hair.
Oh.
It's amazing.
Oh man, I wish I could be a great pet.
Kids, move over.
Oh, sorry. If only I could.
Hey, I fell. Come on.
If only
down.
If only I could.
Hey, kid, don't you see I'm trying to talk here to the bus driver?
Oh,
Don't knock me down.
I'm sorry.
I'm watching you, kid.
If only I could do something amazing. That's it. I'll climb up the impossible mountain to climb up. Mount LPS.
Ha ha ha! Very funny. That's hilarious. I could hear that all the way from over here. That's the funniest joke I ever heard. Are you serious?
Yes, I am, and I'm gonna do it.
Sure. If you do, I'll give you free lemonade for a year.
Deal.
Why do people keep falling? Like, really? He's like, the floor is slippery. Woo! I'm gonna tell the janitor about this.
The janitor? There's no janitor for the whole town.
Yeah, but he's new. You should meet him soon.
Okay.
Anyways. Look at
I just don't know what I'm gonna do.
this town is so big. How could I climb Mount Impossible without grabbing so many attention to myself?
I just have to find a way to do it. Oh, hi, bird. Hi, little bird. You want to be my You want to be my friend? Aw, thanks. Could I adopt this pet? Sure. That's free. Take her. She's the last one, and she's always wanted a home. No one likes her. That's like me. Come on. I'll name you Twiddles.
Twiddle? What a name! Really?
I feel the same too.
Twiddle is very funny. That's hilarious. Woo. 50 more laps around this thing.
Let's just get out of here. Okay. Come on. Let's go. No, don't go there.
Very funny.
Don't go over there. That's where the bullies are. You shouldn't go over there.
What are you pipsqueaks doing around here?
Nothing.
You better not try to steal my bones again. Remember what happened last time?
I won't.
And there comes the bus. Funny. You guys are hilarious. I heard you was trying to climb Mount LPS. That is a million years. Very funny. Everybody laugh with me now. That's hilarious. You're hysterical. was.
Funny. That's so funny. Yeah. Ah. Now come back here, dear. We don't want to disrupt this boy. He's a hilariousness until he finds out that he can't climb up. Okay, Mommy.
Aww. Never even thinks I could climb it. Not cool. Not cool at all.
Except for you.
Anyways, how about let's go home?
Wait,
Need a ride?
Where?
Well, do you need a ride, kid?
No, thank you. No, thank you.
Good job. We weren't going to give you a ride anyways for that hilariousness. You're hilarious, kid. Hilarious.
Oh, man.
It's time to go to bed, Little Pet Shop World. Alright.
Wait, where can I sleep? I don't have a place to sleep.
Good night. Good night, everybody.
Good night. Good night. Where can I sleep? Ooh, maybe that bag might be a good place. That bag might be good. Oh,
My sleeping bag.
Sorry. I'll just get my... Hey, where's my paraglider? My paraglider!
Here, it's over there. I'll go get it.
It's not anywhere! Where is it?
Yeah, I see.
There
you go.
Oh,
Sorry, we
thank
didn't
you.
know it was yours.
Oh,
Sorry,
thank you.
Okay, we get it. That little thing you wish. It's annoying. Time to go to bed, Little Pet Shop World. Time to go to bed, Little Pet Shop World. Go to sleep, Little Pet Shop World. Alright, time to go to bed.
Where can I go to sleep? This is a perfect idea. Let's put it in the newspaper so everybody can know that he wants to climb the mountain. Okay, camera ready. Oh! I guess I'll sleep here.
Don't touch our playground. Hey, boys, let's mess with them. Hello, remember I'm a girl. Just put some water on this rascal. Let's see if I miss. I bet you I don't miss. I bet you $5. Alright.
Your hand is covering it.
And the guy's still sleeping. That guy sleeps weird.
How about here? Here might be a good place. Good. And it's dark. Oh, it's dark and it's perfect to sleep. My perfect den.
Hey! Hey, what are you doing? Hey!
What was that?
It's a Little Pet Shop World. It's Little Pet Shop World. Can you guys stop snoring? You made me jump out of my bed.
Okay.
Like, really, I'm trying to sleep in my bed here. Not cool. Not cool at all. Stop snoring.
The next day.
Hey, everybody. Welcome to Little Pet Shop World.
It's morning. I want to take off this cape. Oh, aching my body. Come on, let's go outside and have some fun. Yesterday was an old day, so today a new day. What?
Haven't you read it yet?
Yes, I have. And why is there an article about me?
Hey, everybody thinks it's impossible for you to climb Mount Lewis Pet Shop, so everybody's shunning you. So don't talk to anybody because they won't talk to you because you probably won't make it alive. Gonna shun you. Anyways, goodbye. Ta-da! Everybody's waking up. I hate fixing up this stupid ball bed. It's not even meant for me.
The bus.
Anyways, I think the bus is gonna come this morning, so you might want to be prepared if you're gonna go to Mount Lewis Pet Shop. And your ticket's right there.
Hi, guys.
Hey, wannabe, go climb. Take the bus, or you want to figure to walk and be more like a man. Come on. You know you need to. Or we're gonna ban you from Little Pet Shop World forever.
You don't have to. I'm going to climb this afternoon.
We'll see about that. Everybody in town bets you $5. Let's use the call climbing.
Wow, I'll be a millionaire by then.
That's a little bit of money for us because we're already rich. Anyways,
Okay, let's do it. Let's get our climbing gear. Let's forget about this paper. Come on! Yes, I believe that we can do it. Oh, wait. It's not afternoon yet. Let's get things ready. Later this afternoon, I'm almost done. Just wait up. I still haven't fixed my cape on. Okay. Ready. You can open your eyes now. Squiddles. Ta-da! Yeah, I know. It's cool, right? Now, let's use this machine. Whoa! We're trapped in a dark tunnel. Wait, get out now. I feel better. It's dark again. Okay. I'm okay. Okay, let's go. Give me a push. You've gotta pay me $5.
No, because we don't even know if you did it or not.
Yeah, but after I do the thing.
Yeah, you need to climb it again, and me need to see it.
Sure. Everybody, see me now!
Okay.
I will climb the mountain!
Alright, I'll give you lemonade for a week because lemonade for a year is a little bit too much for my business. So lemonade for a month or a week. Anyway, your choice.
I'm off.
Alright, take it.
And if I don't do it, I'll have to pay you 100 cents for every lemonade I buy.
Deal.
Okay. Woo! Bye-bye! Yeah!
Don't knock down my lemonade stand. I work hard on it.
Sorry! Wait!
Get yourself.
You know, I think I'm better without the paraglider. Oh, but I might need help getting there. Come on! Carry my paraglider! Wow, you're very strong! Come on! Da-da-da-da! I'm gonna be the first ever person to climb Mount Alpine! gonna let me down. I'm not gonna let anyone tell me I can't. And whenever someone goes over here, they'll just slide down and die. Yeah, I can do it. Lift me up. I did it. Oh, I actually did it.
That little kid did it. He did.
But the real problem is I need to get back down.
If you get back down, the deal is cut off.
Okay.